Welcome back in this lecture, and the last thing is the sharpening is extremely important. The sharpening, and the default sharpening is not up to the mark. So the size and the amount, I need to inverse it. So first 1 here, and the amount is going to be 3. So if I see this, now this is what we want. Alright, so if I show you the real by default surface, you can see it is very exaggerated in output, and what I do, I invert it or make it opposite of this thing. So 3 is going to be 1 and 1 is going to be 3. So this is how you'll get a very nice and crisp looking sharpness in your comp. So let me tell you that what compositing actually means is that it is more about how we're feeling. It is not about that how we're making it look like, right? So the feeling is extremely important. That you can see if I press D key, you can see that it's extremely subtle kind of effects is there, but you cannot see this thing, only you can feel it, right? So see you in the next lecture.